Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make mashed potatoes. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need about 8 russet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, a half cup of half and half or whole milk, a quarter cup of sour cream, a quarter cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of dried chives, and additional salt for boiling. First, we'll rinse and peel the potatoes. Next, we'll cut the potatoes into approximately 1-inch cubes. Remember, the smaller you cut the potato, the more quickly it will cook. After cutting the potatoes, we'll cover them with water so that the water is about 1 inch over the potatoes. Then we'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Once we've prepared our potatoes for boiling, we're going to set our stovetop to medium heat and let the potatoes cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. It's been an hour and we tested the potatoes for doneness. They are done. So we're going to remove them from the heat and drain them in a colander. After draining, we'll return them back to the pot and move back to the stove to continue working. Now we'll add our 1 cup of half and half or whole milk, quarter cup of sour cream, quarter cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of dried chives, and 2 tablespoons of garlic. We'll stir these in with a potato masher and then mash our potatoes until smooth. We're going to serve these as a side for meatloaf with a beef gravy. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.